Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
Some Keralites are seen to be enjoying century's worst floods in the state. Official statistics reveal that Keralites consumed liquor worth Rs 516 crore in 10 days after the floods. It was as if the floodgates opened at the hundreds of beverages outlets in the state. The 10 days in question were those between Independence Day and Onam, which was celebrated on 26th of August. Reportedly, the Kerala State Beverages Corporation has released the shocking data. Obviously, when Kerala was hurt by water, waters of a different taste and hue were comforting them as well. NYOOOZ Desk.